Welcome. If you need to change your birth date on Roblox using the latest update for PC, you're in the right place. Whether you made a mistake during sign-up or just need to update your information, I'll walk you through each step so you can get it done quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open your account settings. Inside the settings menu, find and select the Account Info tab. This is where all your personal details are stored. Look for your birthday section. Next to your birth date, you'll see a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this edit icon to start making changes. Now, enter your correct birth date. Double-check to make sure everything is accurate. This information is important for accessing features and keeping your account secure. Once you're sure, click the Continue button to move to the next step. To confirm the change, Roblox will ask you to verify your identity. You'll need to enter your account password. Type it in carefully and submit. This step helps keep your account safe by making sure only you can make changes to your personal information. Depending on your age or the changes you make, Roblox might ask for extra verification, like confirming your email or getting parental consent if you're under 13. Just follow the on-screen prompts if that happens. And that's it. Your birth date is now updated on your Roblox account. Remember, keeping your information accurate is important for unlocking features and ensuring your account stays secure. If you run into any issues, you can always reach out to Roblox support for help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time on Roblox.